Greetings world, this is King Nyah, vendor turned vlogger turned performing artist, turned the new king of jam rock. And this is a message to my nemesis, King Charles. Watch it, I'm coming through. You can't stop it when I'm coming through. What you gon' do? You gon' fight me, I know this what you gon' do. Why? You don't like me, why I don't know just what you up to. However, love is the order of my days. I was in love to you on my married way. But you have to watch me come true. You have to watch me come true. Watch it, I'm on the move. No more traffic, no standing on my shoes. When I sing the blues, now sing the sign and the babaloos. It's like them let me loose, don't cruise. Keep stepping on my shoes when I'm stepping on the streets. Girls to golden goose, them say now you're bossy, but the music chose me, never me choose it. Come in and choose it, choose the rooster on the roost. And you have to watch me come true. You have to watch me come true. You have to watch me come true. Now I float like a butterfly, I bite like a handstool. Now you're the man, you will get trampled. Standing in my way, it's just another day. I circumvent another obstacle. You have to watch me come true. You have to watch me come true.